Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get the video started, you already know, going to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do. On this video, we got the updates and recaps. As you know, this shoes came out from the 10th through the 16th of March. Starting off on March 13th, we did have those Awakes in Jordan airships for a price of $150. My shocking surprise, these all sold out on Nike.com. I try to look for them on Awake New York's website as well. I didn't see those on their website as well. So if you're from New York or know if these released on Awake New York, please let us know down in the comments. Did they release? I'm assuming they sold out there as well because I don't see them. Also on the same day, on March 13th, we did have another airship. This one was called Rust Pink, and surprisingly, this was for men's. This was an all pink pair. Had that white and pink. It's a nice summertime shoe if you rock pink with a price point of $140. Again, I do not know if these released over here in America, but I do see them sitting on Nike EU. All sizes are available for you if you want those. Go and snatch them up, sneakerheads. So moving on to the last shoe, what we got, my brother?
Air Jordan 3 Green Glow. Price point for those was $200. According to Nike.com, they did not sell out. They did not. Yeah, yeah. So, not surprising. Price point, I think that was pretty fair. But I just think the timing, with us going into the spring, have been that reasoning why they're still sitting. But according to Nike.com, hey, shoes are still available for those that sneakerheads that do want them.
Yes, sir. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit surprised being that all the hype about these black cements are coming out, and this is pretty much a black cement, although this has that green instead of the a regular red. But I don't know, maybe people are saving their money for the military fours. As you know, these Jordan 9 powder blue did not sell out either, so maybe people are just saving their money for the military fours.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.